Good afternoon, this is Jeewat. So I am here to teach you the conjunctions. Let's start with the definition first. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words which connects or joins nouns, phrases, clauses and sentences. Okay. So our main focus will be on the one of this type, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, what are these? So let's start with the definition. Definition is coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions which used in between words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. So these are the coordinating conjunctions: for, and, now, but, or, yet, and so. So for, we start with the for. For is used in between the sentences and words and phrases and clauses. It shows the reason. Reason in which sense? Reason in the sense that here is the example in which for shows the reason, and here I have given one of the example of it. I am here for teaching you conjunctions, etc. So this their reason is I am here for teaching you the conjunctions. This is the reason. So and is the additions. And shows the additions. Addition in the sense that, for example, Virat and Babur are famous cricketers of the world, etc. 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 Here, addition, Virat and Babur are the addition in which they have shows the similarity as well. So, Babur and Virat are the famous cricketers of the world, etc. etc. Here we have another conjunction which is nor. Nor is what? It's not. Nor means not. It shows the not. It also shows the negative sense with another. For example, not. Not Ali nor Aslam have attended today's class, etc. 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 Nar in the sense that not Ali nor Aslam. So it's also showing the negativity in the sentence. So here is the example, and we have next one is but. But is one of the common conjunctions which we commonly use in our daily life. So but also shows the contrast. Contrast in the sense that contrast, like I have given an example of it here. All students are intelligent, but Ali is very hardworking. So let me clear it. Contrast in the sense that all students are hardworking, but Ali is a very hardworking. Ali is hardworking. So it also shows the contrast from all students and Ali. They both are the contrast to each other. So I have written over there. And another conjunction is R. What is R? R, it shows option in sentences. Like I have given an example here. Who is your favorite footballer, Ronaldo or Messi? See, here it shows the option of what? He asked who's your favorite footballer, Ronaldo or Messi? So here he also shows the choice and option as well. So here we have another conjunction which is yet. This is also a common conjunctions we commonly use in our daily life. So it shows the outcome of what? Let me clear it with one of the example. Me and my friend were angry with each other, yet I helped him in his homework. Let me clear it. See, here it shows the outcome. Outcome in which sense? See, me and my friend were angry with each other, and yet I helped him in his homework. It's clearing that I was angry with my friend, but yet I helped him in his homework. And last one is so. It's also a common conjunctions which we use in our daily life, and it shows also the consequences. Consequences in which sense? I have also given one example of it in there. See, I am going to Karachi, so I cannot be able to come today. See, here which is the consequence? Consequence of time. So here he defines as I am going to Karachi, So I cannot be able to complete it. So this is also showing the consequences over there. Give you some tactic and tips how you can easily remember and memorize these are coordinated conjunctions. See, firstly you have to do take the first letter of these conjunctions. See, for F and another and, so write over there, and another will not, so write first letter of it, then but, then O, yet, so take the first letter of it, and last one is so. So also you can have to take off first letter of it, and so this is the word which we have made from these conjunctions. This is fanboys. So now you just easily memorize it through this word, fanboys. When it comes in your mind, you have easily start remembering or memorizing the coordinated conjunctions easily. So here you also can make one word off from these reasons, so which I have written over there, the examples. See, reason, you have to also take first letter of them. Yeah. So first showing as a reason, so take out first word of it, R, and then A, which is about addition. Take the first word of not, which is N, and then take the first word of contrast, which is C, and another is option. Take first letter of it, which is O, and then outcome. Also take first letter of it, and then which is last one is consequence. Also take first letter of it, which is pancake. So you can also remember these explanations through which you can easily remember or memorize the coordinated conjunctions easily. So for reason, N for addition, not for not, but for contrast, or for option, yet for outcomes, so for consequence. So this we have made one word from these conjunctions first letter, which is fanboys, and then we have made a word from these explanations which shows their further detail, which is thankful. So now you can easily get what they actually used for, and you can just easily memorize it whenever you need it. So this is all about the conjunctions.